have been great with a bigger bowl. Pumpkin soup. Who doesn't love a warm, hearty bowl of pumpkin soup? Matt, I believe you have a special one for us.
I do. I've got a secret ingredient, but we're going to start the very, very simple way of doing it. We've got a 2 kilo pumpkin, 2 brown onions.
Olive oil.
Yep, no, you can do it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, please get involved. 5 garlic cloves. And then some spices. A teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. If you don't like cinnamon, you don't like nutmeg, you don't have to put it in there.
Toss it on the tray. That's easy. There we go. Look at that. Okay, secret ingredient.
Pass it to me, please. You know what it is.
I do.
Australian Granny Smith apples. We're just going to take the Granny Smith apples, we're going to peel them, and we're going to roast them along with our pumpkin and onion, cook it with a bit of stock and blitz it, and that's it. The apple is going to add a lovely bite of acidity that balances the sweetness of the pumpkin. Now we're going to put the pumpkin and everything else into our preheated oven at 180 for about 45 minutes or until the pumpkin's soft. Look at that, that's fantastic.
That's awesome.
So you can see, look, soft, but a little bit caught in place, a little bit round in place. That's exactly how you want. In a large pot, please, all the contents of that pan. Now, with these little garlic, I want you to basically pop them and squeeze in the fillings.
Squeeze out all that garlic, look at that. So we're adding the 2 litres of stock. So just bring this to the boil, and you can see we're stirring it, that some of the pumpkin and everything's already blending up anyway. It's all really soft and tender. Okay, so we've brought it to the boil, and now we're going to reduce the heat to low and simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, Matt, it's finished simmering for 15 minutes.
John, just want to check. You can see how everything's breaking down, but you're absolutely right. Let this cool, because that's super hot. If you splash that.
This is why I love the stick blender, because you can do that in the pot. Matt, let's check the seasoning.
What do you reckon? Beautiful colour.
It looks gorgeous and silky smooth. I think it's time to serve this.
Ladle over the big bowl so you don't make a mess. How many ladles? I reckon 2 ladles.
I reckon 2. There we go. And I think it's time for just a little finishing touch.
So what are you using there?
I'm using some creme fraiche.
Beautiful.
If you didn't have that, you could use sour cream if you wanted to. The kids are going to love this one.
It's so simple. The apple just brings a little bit of kind of brightness, acidity to the sweetness of the soup. So it's not overly sweet. There we go. Pumpkin soup, special ingredient, secret ingredient, Granny Smith apple.
And for more recipes like this, go to taste.com.au.